Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Today, I want to talk about a feeling that we all know too well. It's not exactly a sexy topic, but we've all felt dread at some point in our lives. You're probably not scrolling on social media and seeing posts like, "I can't wait to tackle that thing that I've been dreading all week," right? Instead, we tend to hide it. We push it down. We think that we're the only ones feeling it. But the truth is, if you're working on something that matters to you, dread is almost always going to come along for the ride. Let's dive in. First, I want to say that when you feel dread, it doesn't mean that you're doing it wrong. It can actually mean that you're doing something right. If you're listening to this podcast, chances are you're an accountant, a financial professional, a business owner, or someone used to high performance, high responsibility, and high stress. You've got a lot on your plate, and with that often comes a particular flavor of dread that sneaks in when you're starting something new, uncomfortable, or unfamiliar. Maybe for you, it's starting that client project that you've been putting off, tackling your own business finances, writing a newsletter or a LinkedIn post to market yourself, or finally scheduling that doctor's appointment that you've been avoiding for months. You know what it is, and I want you to know that dread is just a feeling. It's just a vibration in your body. It's not a stop sign. It's not a reason to freeze. It's just an emotional signal that may have been misinterpreted. So, what is dread really? Dread is the emotional cousin of fear, procrastination, overwhelm, and discomfort. It often shows up when our brain perceives a threat, usually a psychological one. Not a lion chasing us down the street, but a looming task we've assigned meaning to. Our feelings come from what we're thinking and not our circumstances. That means that the task itself, the bookkeeping, the call, or the presentation, isn't causing the dread. The dread is coming from your thinking. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.